Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the timer and stopwatch in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, slide up to your All application. Next, search for the option which mean clock here, and up as you see we have a stopwatch, so we can start. To stopwatch we can pause and resume. We can add the lap. Yep, when you just walking around somewhere and you want to check it all up. Okay, and next we have a timer, so you can set up the time which you want to start and going down. Start, and the timer will start now, and it's gonna be alarm when the setup go to the 00. You can pause that and resume. Same. So I hope the video was helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.